Hello, I'm Dr. Harish Mehta, consultant interventional cardiologist at SL Raija Fortis Hospital. Today I'm going to touch upon a very important topic which is now catching up interest in our country. We're going to talk about aortic stenosis, which is narrowing of the one of the blood valves that guards the left ventricle and from where the blood gets pumped to the entire body. When this valve gets narrow, then the patient starts experiencing symptoms of breathlessness, chest pain, and even sometimes falling unconscious. Now, when does this happen? There are two types of presentations of these valves. One, it happens in children who are born with a congenital or they're born with a defective valve, which narrows over time and they present around 50 or 60. And second is a aging process, which is seen at the age of 70 and 80. It is a commonly missed problem because if you do not look for it, it is not there. Many of these patients are so ill that they are very difficult to undergo surgery, and the surgeon at times refuses them, telling them it's the end of the road. With this technology which is evolving and has started doing well in the past 10-15 years and has started coming into India too, we can replace these valves without surgery. When I mean without surgery, we can do it like an angioplasty, and this technique is called TAVR, transcutaneous aortic valve replacement. In this technique, we go through the valve, open the valve with a balloon, and place the same surgical valve which we placed with surgery in that area and open this. Now you will ask me, what is the durability of this valve? Does this valve work? Yes, this valve works because it is the same valve which is used by surgeons. So the efficacy is the same. The only difference is the route has changed. And second, it is a treatment for patients who were earlier refused for surgery. Now the next question arises, can we do it for patients who are younger? So there has been significant advances where they have seen that even in younger patients or middle-aged patients or patients who are low risk for surgery can also get equivalent results with this procedure. So if you have a patient say of 60, you can give him an option of both surgery and this. And then you can, depending on the feasibility, it can be decided. Now, this technique is evolving to such an extent that if you have a patient, for example, who has a tissue valve, which we all know about, and the tissue valve has failed over 10-15 years, and the other thing, many a time, again, he would have been high risk for surgery, and the surgeon would say, I want to operate again. Well, now we can put a valve in valve by this TAVR technique, where another valve is fitted into the same valve and can help. And this can be done in other positions also, like a mitral valve. And the way the technique is evolving, in time, believe me, in the next 5 to 10 years, this is going to be the standard of care of all patients with aortic stenosis. This therapy is available and we are performing this therapy at the SL Raija Fortis Hospital, and in case you need any more information about this therapy, you can contact us at the hospital or you can contact me directly. And I would thank you for your patient listening.